Market Michael here. I was gonna make a video. I did make a video. It ended up being 26 minutes long, and I ended up saying some shit that probably would get not flagged, but let's just say I don't think I should be going that route, and that's why the video is not up. Unfortunately, you guys missed some critical commentary at a critical point in the markets. But basically, let's look at the real situation. We got this downtrend coming. But we also we got a flag here. Markets could go either way. If they drop this support, you're tanking. If they break above it, we're going higher. So that's that. Right now, futures don't look good. We are popping them up right here. We're getting some green, but this is falling through on the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, look at here. We're gonna fail this right here. We're gonna break down. Was that just green, or is it just me? I can't even see the candles, guys. Wow, we're gonna hold above this trend line. Interesting. I guess we're not. Well, this is setting up to fail this tomorrow. You listening, guys? It's setting up to fail, and this is all done at the critical support. I've done the low on the critical support here and the high on this double top. Well, this is the level where we're wanting to pass. So, if the futures continue to decline and be negative, we're gonna head into some trouble with this pennant, and then we're gonna go in real low and test those moving averages like we thought. So that's that. That's that. We're gonna have some economic information coming out tomorrow. It probably won't be as good as everyone says. So we're just gonna have to hang tight, boys and girls. If you haven't put your bets in already, don't put them in now. Don't put them in now. We swung either way too far. Of course, the most critical moments are left for aftermarket. Like, are you kidding me? So the stocks could just get no volume and just somehow manage to stay positive. Excuse me? Ridiculous. Saved by the bell. We could, if we drop on the comp S&P, Dow Jones, if we fail that pennant, we're fucked. What an awful time to be betting for the bulls. Now, I thought the Fed would just keep manipulating it, but I guess they don't wanna. They don't want to stick their necks out for the markets. Now, they could. One of my other theories is that, we get another false flag and we get into war. That'll bring down the markets easy. But the market's already coming down. All they need is an excuse. All they need is an excuse. Oh, the markets are down 300 points because Donald Trump farted. Because the trade tariffs aren't looking good. They haven't looked good since the fucking 80s, guys. We've been losing the trade war since the 80s. What's the big fucking news? Our companies have been failing since the 80s. Failing. The middleman, the average guy has been getting crushed since then. The only people who did well during this recovery from '08 are the ultra rich. So I don't know what's going to happen right now. If markets swing lower, if the futures swing lower, get ready for some big drops when we pass the pennant. Get ready for some big drops when we pass that flag. We can't hold this support. We've been trying for weeks, 2, maybe 3 weeks we've been trying, and there's nothing. Look here, you're watching it fail. You're watching /NQ fail. Of course, just prop the stocks up after hours, guys. That's just fucking, not prop them up, but I mean just leave it to the end of day where shit turns around and then boom. All we gotta do is drop 130 points. Then all of a sudden it's 200 points. And then all of a sudden we're hitting critical areas. Same thing, critical areas. Fail this, critical areas. And again, we might get support and come up, and then we're gonna have to test the highs again. Because we got this positive momentum here. But is that enough to break the pennant, break the flag? I don't think so. I don't think so. I think we're in a bear market. Well, I guess that's going to be it for today, boys. I'll be with you bright and early in the morning. Take care. Please like and subscribe. I'm sorry I didn't get that video up before close. It was just too long. It was just too jam-packed. And that's that, boys. Thank you very much, and I'll see you tomorrow.